Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is about success. What do I mean? I'm venturing into a DIY. But I live in a country where 50% of the things I use, specifically beauty products, are shipped to me. They can take months before it arrives. What if I'm not that unaware and if I actually run out of a beauty product? That's where the other side of me comes in. I'm a DIY lady. So today we are going to learn how to get these beautiful nails on days you don't feel like putting on nail polish. And also I feel some people may like these ideas of DIY as I do. So why not share it? So enough of the chat. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is my nail before I've done anything to it. That's the normal pale nude color that it's supposed to look like. Next, get a lemon. Grab a lemon from the refrigerator and cut it into two. Squeeze the juice out of the lemon. Now that's the juice. We all know the color of lemon juice. Next, get an old toothbrush that you don't use anymore. Dip it into the lemon juice and scrub your nail with it, going all the way to the edges and also to the tip of your nails. Next, get a cake soap. You don't necessarily have to use the same soap. Any cake soap will work just fine. I needed to show you a cake soap, that's why I'm showing you this. Or a liquid soap. If you're not a fan of a cake soap, you can also go in for a liquid soap. Now, how good does the nail look? Doesn't it look beautiful? So this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've been inspired by this video. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Please subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.